Hi guys, today we're going to be making PeachBerry pie. You'll need 2 pounds of frozen peaches, 1 pound of frozen blackberries, 1 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 6 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 1/4 cup of water. Bring it to a boil, then add your cornstarch slurry. Let it thicken. Now onto the pie crust. You'll need 2 cups of flour, 1/2 cup of softened butter, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Make sure your salt is mixed in thoroughly. Then add your butter, eggs, and vanilla. Your dough should be soft and malleable when it's done. And it should be a soft consistency. Knead your dough until it doesn't stick with a little bit of flour. Using your rolling pin, roll out your dough and split it in 2, for the top and for the bottom crust. Roll out your crust to your desired thickness. And place over your pie pan. Mold your crust to fit your pan. Cut off the excess. Then to the oven at 425 for 10 to 15 minutes. And while that's cooking, let's start on the top. Roll out your dough, similar to the bottom. Cut your strips to your desired width. I prefer about 1 inch. I'm doing this on the counter for demonstration. You should be weaving on top of the filled pie. Once the crust is formed, time to brush with whipped egg. Once you're done brushing, sprinkle a little sugar on top of the crust. And now back in the oven at 425 until golden brown. Let it cool for about 10 to 15 minutes. Serve and enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for next week's video. Bye for now!